you my artwork part 2. And today, I am gonna show you all my artworks with stickers and drawings. And now look what happened to my stickers. I'm sorry, stickers. And why is there an airport and a Starbucks? This was me who drew this. And look, the airplane is going to another country. You will not know what airplane is gonna go to another country. And there's a sun and an airport and a Starbucks and an airport and an airplane. And next, why there? I just already drew this, but why is there a laptop? And look at this. This is so cool. And the next artwork is why there a pilot face? Look, just gonna watch some videos. Some scary monsters. And next, they are doing the Rubik's Cube. They're doing the Rubik's Cube. Look, was the bonus round. That one is a different one here. Show that. Next, enough. And then, why is there a mermaid over here? Why? Okay, this is so scary. Look at something over here. There is a monster. Okay, next. This. I spelled it wrong. Sorry, guys. I spelled it wrong. Sorry, guys. Next. Oh my God. Look at this. Whoa. He's gonna get food for camping with his girlfriend. And next. What happened to that? Stop. And then next is the pull the rope in. You see, if you fall down, you will die. And you see, you can put a lot of people here. They fall, they will die, like the Squid Game. Then finally, look at this. This is why is the bear the security guard? Not even laughing. Look, this is the bottom. Then last is somebody here done shopping. This is the last, and then this is it for the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on my notifications and comment down below what you're gonna tell me about this video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.